All right, let's fix a super common Excel headache, having to number lists by hand.
Clicking and dragging that little fill handle, it's tedious and so easy to mess up.
Imagine doing that for hundreds of players. Yeah, no thanks. There's a much smarter way.
We're going to use two powerhouse functions to let Excel do all the heavy lifting for us.
First up is the sequence function. Pretty self-explanatory, right? It just creates a sequence of numbers. And its partner in crime is counta. All it does is count the cells that aren't empty. Okay, let's put it all together. We'll start building our formula right in cell A2.
So we start with sequence. Then, inside, we use counta on all the names in column B.
Now this works, but see that B901? That's a problem. It's not truly automatic yet.
We can do better. Let's make it work no matter how long your list gets. We just tell counta to look at the entire column B, then subtract 1 for the header. And there it is. That's the formula. Now it's totally future-proof. All right, now for the really cool part. Watch what happens when the data changes. So let's say a player gets eliminated, and we just, delete their row. And just like that, the whole list renumbers itself. Instantly. No more manual work. And this is just a taste of Excel's dynamic functions. There are a bunch more.